Good afternoon to all. My name is Tej Singh Rathod. I am basically heading the channel sales for Advantech Razor India Private Limited. And I'll be taking you through the company profile and what all products we have got and how we are helping digitalization in this era. So, taking ahead. Next slide. So basically, Advantech, if you talk, we are a $2.2 billion revenue company. We are a $9.9 billion market capitalization company. We are having an employee strength of 8,300 employees worldwide. And we are present in all the fields of currently like service IoT, industrial IoT. And we basically serve to all the system integrators present across the globe. So these are the key milestones. We are a 40 years old group. We got established in 1983, and since then we got listed, publicly listed. We are a publicly listed company in Taiwan, and in 2023 our revenue target was $2.5 billion, and we will be successfully achieving that. We are present across the globe, so we have got 3 manufacturing facilities. We have got 14 plus service stations, and 27 countries we have been present. So our major revenue comes from North America, which itself denotes a lot of value. If you talk about awards, we have got all the awards in our portfolio, and our biggest achievement is that we are the world's largest player in industrial PCs. So we are currently having a market share of around 38 to 40% in industrial PC segment. And we are an Intel Titanium top partner. So we have participated with Intel in this event. So now I'll be taking through you why digitalization has come. So if you talk to any of these industries or any of the industries, so you will find that 81% of all the consumer attempts to take care of matter themselves before reaching to executive. So it means everybody wants to help themselves, and if they want to help themselves, we should have the means for that. So how we can do that, I'll show you. So these are all the scenarios, how we are helping ourselves. Like earlier we used to go in airport and we used to do this check-in, but now we have self-check-in kiosks available. Even if you go to a McD, we have QSR, F&B restaurants, so we have got self-ordering kiosk available. If you go to any of the office facility, now the identification is having through the kiosk, so no executive required for that. If you go to any of the specialty retail, we have so many solutions like Endless Eye, we have got solutions like ordering. If you go to the transportation also, then again you can book your ticket. If you go to cinema, you can book your ticket. So many things we are using it on daily basis, and we are helping ourselves. So this is how the future will be of stores. So one side we have a social presence and one side we have a convenience. So if you talk about all the 4 layers, we are present everywhere. We are present in LOCO and HISCO model. We are present in LOCO versus LOCO. We are present in all the 4 layers of this slide. This is about Advantech portfolio. So suppose if we are imagining that we have to help ourselves, how we can help? So we have got all the devices which is required for such purposes. Like we required a complete all-in-one device. We required kiosk. We required mobile devices. We required this digital signage player. So all of the devices available with us. And once we talk about the device, so I want you to give the focus on this slide where that you need so many of peripheral integrations like thermal scanner you need in some of the application, you need MSR when you want to have a loyalty scanning, you need a fingerprint scanning, you need a smart card reader. So all these devices is possible to attach with our device because we have a 4-side integration and installation possible. So any of these peripherals can be attached to our device, any side of the device. So that is how we can achieve self-ordering, self-checkout, Endless Eye, anything we can achieve through these devices. So if I talk to you that think of a kiosk, you might think a big bulky device, very huge device, very difficult to lift, but we have launched a kiosk which is 5.5 kg of weight with inbuilt printer, scanner and camera attached to it. So through which we have changed so many restaurants wherein earlier they used to have huge rush while ordering, but now through self-ordering, because as I told you earlier, because everybody wants to help themselves, so customers are more inclined to going towards the kiosk, and they are directly ordering. In cinema also we have seen that so many customers are now booking tickets by themselves. So we have these devices. If you talk about all the solutions, so we are present into some of the software solutions as well, like facial recognition, e-paper management, people counting, heat map analysis, interactive digital signages, and cold chain management. And if you are managing around 400, 500 devices or any number of devices, you need a good RMS software, remote management software capability. So we have our in-house developed RMS software, which can definitely reduce your 60% of deployment time, because you know what is you are going to deploy, how it should be deployed. And once you have the remote management tool, it is easy to deploy any of the hardware devices. So through which you can do so many things like real-time data processing, you can do OTA updates, batch controls, set up boosters, you can set a time that what time my device should on automatically, at what time it should be closed. All these things can be achieved through this. So we are present in booth number 11. If you want to see the devices practically, you want to have the touch and feel of the devices, you can come to our stall. We are available on stall number 11. Thank you so much.